The first step in bulk uploading users to your LMS is to prepare the CSV file with the user's information. The required fields are username, first name, last name, and email. You can also add additional columns to include custom information or user passwords. You can learn how to do this from the support document linked below this video. Once your CSV file is ready, you can navigate to Site Admin, and on the User Management page, click on Bulk Upload Users. Here you can simply drag and drop your file into the upload area, review your delimiter and encoding settings, and click on Bulk Upload Users via CSV to continue. You will then be given the opportunity to preview the user upload and specify your upload settings. When selecting the upload type, you can select Add New Only, skip existing users to ensure that new users are created and existing users are not updated. If you have included user passwords in the CSV, you can indicate that a new user password field is required in the file. Alternatively, the system can generate passwords for the new users and notify them via email. Next, you can optionally define various default values to be included in the user's profile information. When you're ready, you can click on Bulk Upload Users via CSV to perform the upload. The results of your bulk upload will then be displayed, and you will be able to see how many users were successfully created and whether there were any password or upload errors. When you then click on Continue, you will find the new users added to your LMS.